WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 27. The yield of cocoa trees is not influenced by A. Pest infestation, B. Fertilizer application, C. Method of harvesting, D. Method of soil tillage. So these are various factors listed here. I'm going to ask for the one that does not influence the yield of cocoa trees. The yield of cocoa trees. Now let's analyze each of the options. Now option A says pest infestation. Now pest infestation influences the yield of cocoa trees, because when you have high pest infestation, you have, or this equates to low or decreased yield. Okay, so that's why it's very important to carry out measures to prevent pest infestation. Now option B says fertilizer application. Now this also influences the yield of cocoa trees, as application of fertilizer can help to increase the yield of the cocoa, so it influences the yield. Now option C says method of harvesting. Now method of harvesting also influences the yield of cocoa, as there are some harvesting measures that can be taken to ensure that maximum produce is harvested. And then lastly, option D says method of soil tillage. Now method of soil tillage does not directly influence the yield of cocoa trees. So option D is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.